Here are obituaries of 50 of the offshore and inland species that were addressed in the previous short videos. The final breakdown of the agriculture species will follow separately, but this video is to inform you what you can do to stop the slaughter of the sentient animals and the destructive domino effect from ocean to earth to planet Earth. I'm not going to advise you to help with the 0.003% of the problem by not using plastic straws. No, that can come after you stop 46% of the oceanic plastic pollution by weight from fishing nets alone. By the laws of supply and demand, go vegan for no more fishing nets. If you want to vote to change the world for the better, you ain't changing anything if you won't change your breakfast. There's plenty of help for every question you have. We've got this. Free professional dietary help from challenge22.com, chronometer app to track your nutrition, Vegan Society, or even the likes of Animal Aid UK, who are legally allowed to lobby the government against corporate greed. Watch Seaspiracy and read the 1.5 pages of Cambridge Declaration of Consciousness to understand that fish feel pain, and what goes around will come around.